Walking around with the gang. Hey guys, so back on our mask life. It's already I think 12. We woke up late because we slept very late. We had some drinking session and slept at around 3 a.m. So the day is just starting for us. We are on the way to have our lunch. We're just walking around. It's still a holiday today. It's Tuesday.
하차입니다. 하차입니다.
I haven't used it yet.
Having our lunch here. Okay.
Don't you really?
Oh, so good. Oh, wow. Hey, so that was a good meal. We just had noodles and now we're walking to run some errands here around Cheolsan.
My 15. The bigger one is 20.
Oh, nice.
About, yeah.
Hey.
You think how much is this? Do you have any idea?
I don't know. Let me check it.
We're having another DAISO run. With cake. Oh, DAISO again here at Cheolsan. And they're running out of alcohol. Many things. Yeah. So my favorite gummy candy from DAISO with crisps. So we are on the way back. We didn't do much today. The weather is great, right? Wala siyang boses. Visit.
교통약자석은 휠체어 이용 수리를 위해 우선